Hey everybody, Colin Rooney here again with the Westborough Fire Department for another episode of Firehouse Safety Tips. Every 3 out of 5 house fires that result in a fatality occur in a home with either no smoke detectors or detectors that have failed to operate. With this being said, it's easy to see why keeping your detectors in good operational condition is essential. All homes built from 1975 to present day are required to have hardwired, interconnected smoke alarms. Should the power go out in your house, all the detectors have batteries as a secondary means of power. Be sure that you change the batteries every 6 months. This is easily remembered by the saying, change your clocks, change your batteries. In addition to changing batteries every 6 months, you should test each detector monthly to confirm it's functioning properly. To do this, locate the test button on the detector. By pressing the button, the detector will go into alarm for a short period of time. And then reset itself. Always refer to the user's manual if you are unsure about how to test the device. Last but not least, most smoke detectors are only good for 10 years, and then they need to be replaced. The manufacture date should be located on the back side of the detector. That's all we have for you on this episode of Firehouse Safety Tips. Thanks for watching.